Hello, welcome back. Today I'm swatching the Winsor Newton Professional Watercolors dot card to explore the colors, their transparency, and how they activate with water. Dot cards are a simple and cost-effective way to test pens before committing to full tubes or pens. I hope you enjoy. As you can see on this dot card, there's lots of options of cadmium-free paints and they are quite similar to the cadmium ones. Rose Doré was one of the colors that I wanted to try because I wanted to add it to my palette, but I found it a little bit harder to activate with water. was another color that took a little bit of water to activate. It's easy to tell when the color activates very easily with water, because when you drop just a little bit of water and that the color is spread on the paper very, very fast. Okay, Terra Verde was one of the colors that I'm interested in adding to my palette, and I really wanted to try, and I was quite surprised that it took a little bit of water to activate compared to Perylene Green that I just did, which is so easily, and also Oxide of Chromium was so easy to activate with just a little bit of water and the paint is spread on the paper. Terra Verde took a little bit more of water. I know that the color is very light and transparent, but what I'm talking here about is how well it's spread on the paper and how well activate with the water. And here Terra Verde yellow shade was the same and took even more water than the other one in order to activate and spread on the paper. light red and Venetian red. I think it's pronounced Venetian or Venetian, I don't know. Anyway, I really like both of those colors. I think they're beautiful neutrals and it would be a great addition to my palette. Okay, now we are in the last row of the dot card. Here we have all the usual suspects like the burnt umber, Van Dyke brown, sepia, indigo, Panis gray, all those beautiful neutrals that we all love. I always love the neutrals one, the blacks and grays. And I think it's very important to keep at least two types of neutral in your palette, one cool and the other warm, so you can mix with your colors and create a mood color scheme, tone down the bright colors and create a whole new palette. Have in the end of this dot card, we have the Davis gray, which is very light gray, and then you have mineral gray, which is also very transparent and light, and the ultramarine ash. So all these colors I don't have in my palette, so I'm trying for the first time and I quite like it. I just wonder how you would perform it mixing with other colors. So that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope you have enjoyed seeing all the colors on the Winsor Professional Watercolors. And next time I'll be trying out their Revival collection. See you then. Bye.